In a prior video, I discussed the steps that are involved in an adjustment of status cases, and also why it's a common and popular option among couples. But in this video, I would really like to dive into the eligibility requirements. What are the eligibility requirements and who is eligible for adjustment of status? I am attorney Megan Pastrana of the immigration firm for couples. We represent couples all across the nation and the world in navigating the US immigration process. So let's dive in. What are the eligibility requirements for adjustment of status? There are quite a few requirements. There's a lot of nuances. Immigration law is complicated, but I have narrowed it down to the four main requirements. And the very first one is that you have to be physically present in the United States. And by you, I mean the immigrant who is applying to receive the green card. You have to be physically in the United States. The second requirement of eligibility is that you were inspected or admitted or paroled. And so that's just a fancy way of saying that you lawfully entered the United States. And as I mentioned, we help couples in navigating the immigration process. A few examples of being lawfully admitted into the United States would be individuals who entered on a highly skilled work visa or a student visa. So those are some examples of what immigration means by you have to be lawfully admitted. If you entered the United States without documents, then you would not be eligible for adjustment of status. The third requirement is that you have to have a visa readily available to you. And again, that's fancy immigration language that means that you have to be an immediate relative, or in layman's terms, I'll make it simple. We represent couples. So that means that you are married to a United States citizen. If you're married to a lawful permanent resident, then that would be a different, more complicated process. But in short, you have to be married to a United States citizen. And the final eligibility requirement is that you have to be eligible or admissible for a green card. I know that sounds redundant. That is what immigration has on their website, but that is essentially that immigration and nationality has a long list of problems an individual can have that make them not eligible for a green card. And basically, in layman's terms, you just can't have one of the problems on that list. I know that was a ton of information. So if you want to learn even more about adjustment of status and whether or not you're eligible, please check out our free resource center on our website, Immigration for Couples. I'll post the link to the resources and the website below. Thanks so much for watching.